We're providing that silent engine that makes key business processes work. It allows our organizations to reduce costs, to provide better services to their customers, to reduce fraud risk, a lot less penalties payable. We've done all of this with African resources. We've never outsourced it to other continents and things like that. It's all done with people on our continent. And today, we have multidisciplinary teams where we're doing projects in South Africa with staff from Zambia or staff from Ghana, and those guys are playing team lead roles as well. So I think it played its part in uplifting the ICT skills in the continent. And I think that if more companies can do that, it would be to the benefit of Africa in general. Implementing technology projects is never easy, and the solutions that we built are mostly integrated into legacy systems. And there's always kind of complications at various different fronts. But, we've implemented in excess of 800 systems on a continent, and they're all in production. And through thick and thin, we stand with our customers and we get the job done. At the end of the day, it's working, it's adding value, and we don't abandon the project. So for me, that makes us a trusted partner. And we would also never implement solutions for our own benefit to make more money, as an example. We will always advise our customers to do what is right for them. And I think they appreciate that from us. It is for a large bank in Kenya. So we've helped them to enable their sales force to digitally onboard customers remotely. So these guys are going out with tablets into shopping centers or into wet markets or into factories and things like that. And using our technology, they can onboard customers, in a very short space of time. And then while they're busy with the sales agent, the account is actually opened on the core backend system, and the process is built in such a way that the customer is funding it as well. And then we've taken that to complete digital onboarding. So a customer can obviously just go into the bank's website, launches the application, they can onboard themselves and get a bank account opened within the space of 10 to 15 minutes. Cybrine at the moment is sitting at a place in time where a lot of the investments that we've made over the last 3 to 4 years is actually coming to fruition. We've invested in a new platform, hard work, to get that done, to get it optimized. We invested in the new fraud risk management solutions. Today we've got reference sites for those ones, so there's been a lot of innovation in the tooling that we've done. The thing that excites me is that we're having a lot of new conversations with new customers. We've expanded into the Philippines, which is an exciting market. It's a market that's very young in terms of their digital evolution. And I think it's going to be exciting for us to be part of that as well. I think that the next big growth phase for Cybrine is on the horizon.